In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your M-KOPA app. By updating your M-KOPA app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix issues related to your app and solve any challenge that you might be encountering. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to update your M-KOPA app, all you need to do is to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for M-KOPA app through Google Play Store, then search for your app, and once you find it, go ahead and open. Now, as you can see, I have an update here, which means I've been using an outdated version of M-KOPA app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of M-KOPA app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the installation is done, you can now proceed and open it to start using the latest version of M-KOPA app that contains the latest features. So that's how you can update M-KOPA app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.